The National Weather Service in Shreveport has issued a creepypasta VHS character named Fruit Loops cereal ballpoint eggs made by Quinn Pop in Eastern Texas. This includes a lost episode character taking over the show. This is a test. I repeat, this is a test. A new creepypasta character may be Fruit Loops cereal ballpoint eggs. He may be a serial killer. He killed everyone. Please seek shelter to the bathroom, basement, or bedrooms. This is the narrator, signing off.
Wah. What? Who the hell are you? And why are you not Quinn Poppy?
Oh, you thought it was the real me? No, I'm the EXE clone. It's called the Shapeshifter. And by the way, my name is FCLB.exe, or you could call me FCLB for short. But I am the most EXE clone ever. You're also obsessed with all of your videos. You even do like roleplay, fun clouds, and your own show. And I also decided to do a shift, cause I was disguised. And your game will be started now.
Oh my god. I have to run before I get killed.
You can't escape from your nightmares.
I need to find someone's house to get in. Finally, there it is. Now let's get in so I won't get killed. Phew. I think that was a close call.
Oh, I wouldn't say that if I were you. Now it's time to end your suffering with your consequences. Once and for all. This is what deserves for stalking on me. Fakey.